If you want to adjust exposure or change brightness in camera on POCO F7, here's what you need to do. So after opening the camera, for example, in the photo mode, over here on the left side, we have this plus and minus in a circle icon. So you can tap over here in order to open the exposure slider. We can move left and right in order to adjust the exposure or brightness of the photo. Besides that, you can also tap anywhere on the preview in order to select the reference area. Over here on the right side, we have the sun, and we can move up and down with our finger in order to adjust the brightness. This option is pretty much available in every mode. In some other options, for example, in the photo mode, here we have EV, which is the exposure as well. So this is how we can change the exposure. And of course, we can do the same thing. Well, we cannot really do the same thing with the brightness in that case, but you can use one or the other, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.